Hi, my name is Ron Olsson. I'm president of ProSpire International. You might have heard the recent news about Ford introducing the Ford F-150 in aluminum. This is fairly recent news, but we've been working with these companies for a long time, preparing for this and coming up with repair procedures and products to accommodate the repair industry. We feel that we have a good approach right now on the products that we added. We have aluminum weld stations that contain all the tools needed for aluminum repair. You don't want to mix aluminum with steel, basically because of the contamination into the aluminum with steel particles could end up with corrosion problems in the future. So we have the station where all the tools in this aluminum weld station is just going to be used for the aluminum repair. It's everything from MIG welding. We have utility stations for different voltages, and that accommodates both the dent pulling and the MIG welding applications as well. The aluminum hood is so much more expensive than the steel was. There will be a more need to repair versus replace. We can do that with a capacitive discharge system we have for welding on the pulling tabs onto the aluminum. So basically it takes more control, less time to do welding on aluminum. It's more sensitive to heat, but we feel we have a good approach and a good system for that. There's a lot of demand on the OEMs to come up with more fuel-efficient vehicles, and by introducing aluminum into the vehicle, aluminum is half the weight of steel, so there's obviously a lot of weight saving in using aluminum versus steel. But of course, the vehicle has to be made as safe and as resistant as the previous models with steel has been. It's going to have to be a mindset from the technician standpoint. And by helping it is having all the tools in one area, so when you have aluminum repair, you stick with that station or those tools just for that particular repair. In the past, there hasn't been that much need for this. Maybe there's been more of the high-end cars that had aluminum. With the F-150 coming into the market, that's the real deal. It's the most sold vehicle in North America, so obviously we're going to see a lot of it, and I think everyone have to realize they have to step up as a body shop to get the equipment and the training needed to repair the aluminum.